Hi, welcome to our channel Siri Max class. Today in this number system chapter, I will explain the Pythagorean triplet topic. Okay. Okay, see here in this Pythagorean triplets topic, first we can draw one right angle triangle. See here, this is one right angle triangle. Here angle is 90 degrees. By using Pythagoras theorem, what we can say, side square plus side square equal to hypotenuse square na. For suppose here this is M, this is N and this is P. M and N are both are two sides and P is hypotenuse. What is the condition? Side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. M square plus N square equal to P square. See here, if M, N and P are any three natural numbers, what is the condition? M square plus N square equal to P square by using the Pythagoras theorem, and M comma N comma P is called as Pythagorean triplets. Is called Pythagorean triplets. Okay, once again I will tell you. Here we can take one right angle triangle. This is by using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, what is the condition? Side square plus side square equal to hypotenuse square. Okay, if here I am taking M, N are two sides and P is the hypotenuse. By using Pythagoras theorem, what is the condition? M square plus N square equal to P square. If M, N and P are any three natural numbers, M square plus N square equal to P square, then M comma N comma P is called as Pythagorean triplet. Okay, here we can take one example. Okay, in this right angle triangle, here I can take sides 3, 4 and hypotenuse is 5. Okay, in Pythagoras theorem, what is the condition? Side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. So 3 square plus 4 square equal to 5 square. What is the 3 square value? 9 and 4 square value is 16 and 5 square value is 25. Okay, here adding these two values, 9 plus 16 how much? 25. So 25 equal to 25. By using Pythagoras theorem, side square plus side square equal to hypotenuse square. So what we get the answer? 25 equal to 25. So here we can write 3 comma 4 comma 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. Okay, here 3 comma 4 comma 5 is called as Pythagorean triplet. Okay, here we can take one condition. Okay, for any natural number M is greater than 1, what is the condition? 2M comma M square minus 1 comma M square plus 1 is called as a Pythagorean triplets. Okay, what is the condition for any natural number? M is greater than 1. Natural numbers are starting with 1, 2, 3 and so on. But what is the condition here? M is greater than 1. Means here one value we can't take. We can take 2, 3, 4 and so on values. Number of values we can take. What is the condition? M is greater than 1. What is the condition? 2M comma M square minus 1 comma M square plus 1 is called as a Pythagorean triplet. Okay, here if M value, for suppose I am taking m value 2. Why? Because m value is condition is m is greater than 1, so we can't take m value 1. That's why here I am taking m value 2. Okay, substitute m plus 2 and okay, 2 into what is the m value? M value is 2. So here I am substituting m plus 2. Okay, and here m square, m value is 2, 2 square minus 1, and next condition is m square plus 1. M value is 2, that's why 2 square plus 1. Okay, here we can solve this. 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, and 2 square value is 4, 4 minus 1, and next one 2 square value 4, 4 plus 1. Okay, see here 4 comma 4 minus 1 how much value? 3, and 4 plus 1 value is 5. Okay, in this 4 comma 3 comma 5 is called as Pythagorean triplet. Okay, here m value we can take 2. What we get the answer? 4, 3, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. Next, if m value we can take 3, what the answer we get? We will check. Okay, for suppose if m value is 3, what is the condition? 2 into m, 2 into 3 and m square. M square is nothing but 3 square minus 1, and next condition m square plus 1. M value is 3 na, so 3 square plus 1. Okay, see here 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6, and 3 square value is 3 3s are 9, 9 minus 1, and here also 3 square value is 9, 9 plus 1. Okay, see here 6 comma 9 minus 1 8, and 9 plus 1 10. This is also a Pythagorean triplet. Okay, once here we can check what is the condition, what we get the answer? 6 comma 8 comma 10. By using Pythagorean theorem, what is the condition? Side square plus side square equal to hypotenuse square. Here we can check that condition. Six comma 8 comma 10. Okay, side square plus side square equal to hypotenuse square. Okay, 6 square value is 36, and 8 square, 8 into 8, 8 8s are 64, that equal to 10 square value is 100. Okay, adding these to 36 plus 64 how much? 100. 100 equal to 100. So this is the Pythagorean triplet value. When value here we can take the value m equal to 3. What we get the Pythagorean triplet? 6 comma 8 comma 10. Okay. Okay, if m value we can take 4, what we get the answer? If m equal to 4, what is the condition? 2m comma m square minus 1 comma m square plus 1. Okay, this is the condition. Here m value is 4, so substitute m plus 4. 2 into 4 comma m value is 4 na, so 4 square minus 1 comma 4 square plus 1. Okay, see here 4 2s are 8, and 4 square value, 4 square is nothing but 4 into 4, 4 4s are 16 minus 1, and 4 square value is 16 plus 1. Okay, 8 comma 16 minus 1 how much? 15, and 16 plus 1 17. So this is also a Pythagorean triplet. By using Pythagoras theorem, we get the answer both equal sides are same value. So okay, saying in these examples, what we observe here, if m value is 2, what we get the answer? 4 comma 3 comma 5. and m value equal to 3, what value we get? 6 comma 8 comma 10, and m equal to 4, what we get the answer? 8 comma 15 comma 17. If m value we can take 2, what we get the answer? By using the condition 2m comma m square minus 1 comma m square plus 1, what we get the answer? 4 3 5. This is a Pythagorean triplet. And if m value is taken 3, what we get? 6 comma 8 comma 10. This is a Pythagorean triplet. And m equal to 4, 8 comma 15 comma 17 is a Pythagorean triplet. Okay, see, observe here, what is our condition? 2m comma m square minus 1 comma m square plus 1. This is our condition. See here, m equal to 2, what we get the answer? 4 comma 3 comma 5. But if m value is 2, if m value equal to 2, what we get the answer? M square minus 1 is less than 2m less than m square plus 1. Okay, m equal to 2, here what we get the answer? 4 comma 3 comma 5. Okay, this is 2m value, m square minus 1 and 5. So here 3 is less than 4 less than 5. Okay, if m equal to 2, what we get? M square minus 1 is less than 2m is less than m square plus 1. M square minus 1 is 3 and 2m is 4 and m square plus 1 is 5. If m equal to 2, we are getting this condition. Okay, for suppose if m is greater than 2, m value is greater than 2. If m value is greater than 2, what is the condition? 2m is less than m square minus 1 is less than m square plus 1. Okay, we can check. M equal to 3, what we get the answer? 6 comma 8 comma 10. Okay, 2m value is 6 and 8 value is m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 value is 10. That's why 2m is less than m square minus 1 less than m square plus 1. Okay, what is the Pythagorean triplet? 2m comma m square minus 1 comma m square plus 1. This is our condition. But in these Pythagorean triplets, all the conditions, all cases we not get in the same form. The places will be changed. Okay, need not be same. Okay, what main condition? What is the condition? 2m comma m square minus 1 comma m square plus 1. Okay, once again I am telling you, Pythagorean triplets, m comma n comma p are any three natural numbers. By using Pythagoras theorem, m square plus n square equal to p square, m comma n comma p is called as Pythagorean triplet. Okay, what is the condition? If m is greater than 1, m is greater than 1, what is the condition? 2m comma m square minus 1 comma m square plus 1 is the condition. Already condition is there na, m greater than 1, so m value we can't take 1. Okay, m value we can take 2 3 4 and so on, we get the answers. These are the Pythagorean triplets. Okay, thank you so much.